For ray optics, the first part is reflection, something which you have covered in school also. If there is a reflecting surface, say a mirror, and there is a normal to the surface, a ray hits the surface. What do you call this ray as? Incident ray. It makes what angle? Angle of incidence I. Then it moves. After reflection, it moves in a particular direction such that this angle is also equal. This is what? Reflected ray. This is what? Normal to the surface. Law number 1 is what? Angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. 2. Incident ray normal to the surface and reflected ray all lie in same plane. That means what? This is normal to the surface, this is incident ray, this is reflected ray, all these lie in one plane. That is, in this case, board, plane of the board, this is how they lie. That means it is two-dimensional. This is plane. Incident ray, normal and reflected lie in same plane. 2 minutes with you to write. I repeat the law. Angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. 3 rays, incident ray, reflected ray, and third line I will say, normal to the surface, all lie in same plane. This is something which you have covered in school. Angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Incident ray, reflected and normal lie in same plane. So nothing new. Now we need to understand formation of image. So we have a number of objective questions. We can answer those questions. Example is, there is a plane mirror. And there is an object placed. Object given is what? Object distance 5 centimeter to the left. Height of object is 3 centimeter. This is what is given. So it is placed in front of the mirror. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there is an object of what height? Yes, 3 centimeters. So approximately 1, 2, 3, this height, say this one. So there is an object of height. There is an object AB What height? 3 centimeter. Placed at what distance? 5 centimeter. We have to discuss about its image. All questions. First part is plane mirror. Then we take up concave and a convex mirror. Then we take up lenses, converging, diverging lenses, application of lenses, combination of lenses, microscope, telescope. All questions have single question. What is the image? Where is the image? Height of the image, erect, inverted. That means throughout ray optics, issue is the same. So here the question is, there is a mirror, there is an object AB. What height? 3 centimeter. Placed at what distance? 5 centimeter. We have to find out what? Where is the image? What is the size of the image? Whether the image is erect or inverted. That is what the question is. So one full page, draw the diagram, try. In case you don't have a scale, try this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, try. Try to draw freehand drawing, but try to the scale. Yes, help please. Either AB is itself source of light, a tube light, or it is an object on which the light falls. So, if light falls on A, it will hit A. After hitting A, the light moves in all directions. We will draw few rays to find its image. 1. Ray number 1. It will hit the mirror at what angle? Normally. Angle of incidence is 0. Angle which the ray makes with the normal. When the ray hits at 90 degree, it makes what angle with the normal? 0. Angle of incidence is 0. It will, after hitting, it will retrace its path. Angle of reflection is also 0. So it will retrace its path and the ray appears to be coming from this direction. But we don't know where is equivalent of A. This is 1. 2. Ray number 2. Ray number 2 starts from here. You take it to any point, your choice. But I will take it to this point. So A hits the lowest point of the mirror. This is ray number 2. Yes, there is some angle, angle of incidence, some angle, whatever that angle be. Yes, angle of incidence is equal to what? Angle of reflection. So the ray moves in this line, along this line. This is angle of incidence, this is angle of reflection, the two are equal. Ray appears to be, yes, coming from, if you place your eye here, the ray appears to be coming from this direction, that is somewhere here. So both rays coming from A appear to be coming from A dash. So you can take next point, you can draw corresponding to this, next point, all, and at the end B. You will find when you draw, you will find all those points to be lying here. Same size image. When you measure the distance, you will find this distance comes out to be what? 5 centimeter. When you find this one height, h dash, height of the image, you will find it comes out to be same, 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter. So we have performed this experiment from the practical. Yes, this is the practical which you have practical values or practical u is equal to what? -5 convention if the object lies to the left. Height of the object was 3 centimeter. If it is above this, it is plus. Yes, as per the practical, where is the image? V, yes, to the right. How much? Plus 5 centimeter. Height of the image, h dash. Yes, that was the question, and what you get is 3 centimeter. Theory. This is practical. 1. Image is what? Image quality is what? Yes. Erect or inverted? Erect. This is B dash. Image is erect. Image is real or virtual? If the rays appear to be coming from, then it is virtual image. And what about the quality? Yes. All the light coming from object AB is not coming onto the mirror. It is moving in a different direction. That is why intensity will be low. It is low intensity. Correct? Because all the rays, see, 100 rays are moving in different directions. You are collecting how much? Only 10% of the rays. So image will be corresponding to 10% of light only. Theory. Let us try. Theory. Formula is 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. For a plane mirror neither converging nor diverging. Its ability to converge or diverge, power to converge or diverge is 0. So its focal length is infinity. Power and focal length are inversely proportional to each other. Plain glasses, 0 power. Fine? Plain glass means 0 power. Focal length is how much? Infinity. So in this one, if we put the value, we want to find out what? V plus U was equal to what? -5. Focal length is what? Infinity. If you solve, what you get is V is equal to what? 5 centimeter. So this is your practical value. This is your theory value. 2. Second, magnitude of H dash over magnitude of H is equal to magnitude of V over magnitude of U. Magnitude of V is what? 5. Yes. U, magnitude of U is what? 5. 1. It means magnification. Magnitude of magnification is 1. Image is how many times the object? 1 time. Image is how many times the object? 1 time. If it is erect, it is +1. If it is inverted, it is -1. It is what? Erect or inverted? Erect. 3 minutes with you to write. 3 minutes to write. Let me explain this part if you are unable to understand the intensity. See, you have a mirror. If you place an object in front of this one, light moves in a different directions. Part of the light moves on this surface. So image formation is corresponding to rays falling on this surface only. If 10% of the light moves on this, so this image is corresponding to 10% of the light only. 90% of the light is in different direction. What do you do to improve the quality of the image? Anyone? Yes? Yes? Increase size of the mirror. That is why beauty parlor, saloon, all of have big full size wall mirror. Why? Because it will collect more light. If it collects more light, intensity is good. Whether the mirror is small or large, your face size dimensions remain same. That is why magnification has nothing to do, competition question. Magnification has nothing to do with the size of the mirror. If the mirror is small, even then your size is same. If you make it large, even then your size is same. Then why you make the large size mirror in a beauty parlor, saloon? Why? Reason is what? To increase quality, to increase light collected, to improve intensity. All are objective questions. Time with you is 2 minutes to write. 2 minutes to write.